Hello. Hello, check. Hello. Is my screen visible? Yeah. So, hey everyone, welcome back. So, where were we? I believe we have covered the this producer and consumer till now. So we saw like how we can use consumer.assign, and let me quickly check whether this is working or not. Let me go here. This was my topic. Perfect. Let me quickly clean this, build this, and let me run this and see whether we are good with this or not. This is my HTTP. Let me send this request. It is validating. Yeah, we got 202 and we have partition ID 0, and let me send request. It's waiting. Yeah, we got all the messages. Okay, so did I change anything in the consumer? Okay, yeah. So okay, there, this must be your latest. I just want the latest message. Oh, now I need to stop this manually. Okay, so you can play with this like latest and earliest. These are your like offsets when you like from where you want to consume the messages. Like if you want to read all the history of the messages, like whether your consumer just started or not, you want all the messages on the topic, you can go with the earliest. And if you want the only the latest message, then you can go with the latest. And this group ID is nothing, just the ID of your consumer group, and based on that, inside your consumer group there are multiple groups, or no, multiple consumers. For each partition there is one consumer, as we saw on that note in the SQL row. Okay, so what else? Yeah, it has stopped here, and let me again validate this. Oh, I'm using .consume only, so it will take all my CPU resources, so I'm just stopping this. We should use something like timestamp here, like 5 millisecond or something like that. Okay, so now we'll see how we can use the subscribe way. Okay, so I'm just stopping this. Like as of now we saw this your consumer.assign. Now we will see how we can go with the subscribe way. Okay, so we are good with this, and let me close this as well. For that, should we create another method? Okay, so here I'm again defining not input http get, and let me close this. Public not async, I want assembly action result. Here I will use get all messages. Okay, now let me do one more thing. Let me take this. Okay, so let me take this and we'll go here. Now what we can do, let me change this to latest only. This is good. Now what we can do, we can use your consumer dot subscribe. Okay, so let me create new topic here. Local dev eh. Shouldn't we use eh as a prefix? eh1 local dev. Okay, and let me use the same for your producer as well. So now we will eh1 local dev, and same goes here. I am subscribing to eh1 local dev. Let me quickly create this topic as well. So here are we. This is our client. Let me create a new topic. This is eh1. Partitions you can give. Here I'm just giving 3. Cleanup policy you can use. Delete. It's more over like a retention policy. How long you want to retain the messages, and moreover like the simple thing. Okay, it's here time to retain. In second, I'm not just setting anything, no disk, I'm just setting as of now. Let me quickly create this. Yeah, eh1 local dev. We have 3 partitions, 0 1 2 and no message. Okay, so what we will do here, let me use the try block, and here I will use a continuous loop. Make sense? I'm consuming the message. If my message is null, I can simply continue, or if there is a message, I would say message just display message. Got it? Okay, let me print in a more better way, and let me change back this to result. Okay, and I was telling you that we should use some timestamp over there to reduce the CPU utilization, because else it will use the whole computation, like moreover the most of the computation of my CPU. So for that, what we can use timestamp dot from milliseconds, and we can give 500. Cool. Now shouldn't we create one list as well here? List of order, and here we will add our result, and but here we have to deserialize it. JSON serializer dot deserialize order result dot, there must be value. Okay, cool. Or catch if I got some exception, so I will simply display the exception and throw. And then finally what we can do, no, let me use a finally block here. Here I can use consumer.close. What this is saying, I should not throw the exception here because it will just close the, it will console and finally it will close my consumer connection and we are returning with the okay. So as of now I'm just consuming the latest group A. Okay, let's see whether are we good with this or not. .NET clean. Where am I? It's 13. .NET build. Yeah. There is no error. Let me run this. So as of now we do not have anything to read. Okay. So let me very first produce something. Okay. We are producing, waiting, we got 2 or 2. On which topic we produced on to where, yeah, EH1 local dev. So let me open this and check the newest one. Yeah, we got the message. And let's go for all one. Okay. It is processing something and let me check on with partition 2. Okay. Then next request we will make to partition 2. It is taking time. Let's wait and see. Are we doing the right thing? Yeah, I'm waiting my CPU to idle. Wait for 5 minutes. If not getting the result, then again check. Do I have any button here to cancel the request? I can click on, yeah, cancelled. Let me send the request here and see are we getting something or not. Are our configurations are correct? Yeah, I have subscribed to local dev only and I just started consuming the messages and this should work. Let me check with here. Have I missed anything here? No, I don't think so. Oh, got it. And let me open Postman here as well. Let me close this. So are we on the same port? 5296. मच्छर कहाँ से आ गया यार? Yeah, 5296 get API order. Yeah, and this will read all the messages. Okay, let me send this request here. Now this is just waiting, and let me push another message here. Let me send this request. The request will be completed there, and let me check. As you can see, we got 3 here. Let me push the 4 one as well. As you can see, we are getting the 4 one, but we are only getting the latest message, because as you can see, this is our like get all messages. But I used the latest in the get all, that's why. So let me stop this. It will take a little time, make it to earliest, and now we'll see the magic. Okay, पानी खत्म हो गया. Okay, पानी लेके आएंगे अभी. Yeah, cool. Let me quickly clean this, build this. Run. Cool. Now what we can do, we will go here and we will send request here. Okay, and now let me publish this, and where are we here? We are still on the track to consuming messages. Okay, and then we used earliest here. Let me send one more message. Are we getting these messages on our topic? Let me validate. Newest one. This will show me the messages. And the last we published with 666. Okay, we got 2 messages, and this is still making the request. Let me post 777. Yeah, we got 777. 888. Whenever you will start, it will start from the beginning only. Okay, but till 5 it just stored the committed offset, and then it was just starting. Okay, so now what we have to do, we get all messages, and how to get the latest message using your assign or using your subscribe method as well. Okay, and you can play with these all as per your requirements. Like you can go with the earliest, you can go with the latest. Again, that depends how your application is, business requirement क्या है आपकी, और उसके according you can play with them. Okay, so इतना ही रखें इस वीडियो में. कितनी लंबी हो रही है ये वीडियो? 21 minutes. I think pretty decent है, इतना रखते हैं इसमें. और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे, अभी तक हमने सिर्फ जेसन सीरियलाइजेशन यूज़ किया. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे आवरो की, अपाचे आवरो सीरियलाइजेशन. ओके, सो उसमें हम Azure Event Hub की स्कीमा रजिस्ट्री को यूटिलाइज करेंगे, और फन है वो भी, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. ओके, सो या दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.